How to play the primers. Bible in Hebrew offers more than just the Bible. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to familiarize yourself with the Hebrew alphabet through primers. Let's take a look with Annette.
Open the Library menu by clicking the button in the top left corner or by tapping on the title area. Click on the Bonus Material menu, and near the top of the list you'll see the Alphabet Song, the Writing Game, and the Sounds Game. The Alphabet Song is a video that shows the order of the letters sung in an original melody.
Aleph, Bet, Gimel, Dalet, Hey, Vav, Zayin, Chet.
Play it a few times to get the most out of the video and familiarize yourself with the names of the letters. The Writing Game is an interactive primer that shows how each letter is written through simple looping animations.
Aleph.
You can see how the alphabet is written in regular block letters or the specialized script letters, see right and left-hand orientation, and adjust the speed to go faster or slower as needed. The Sounds Game, the last primer, teaches the sounds that each letter makes when paired with vowel symbols. Clicking on a letter tells you what sound that particular letter makes. Clicking on the barrels show you the vowel sounds those symbols make.
A, E, I, O, U.
Dragging a letter to one of the 5 barrels
Be,
combines these two sounds to play the syllable.
Mo.
Click on the menu icon on the left to open up some extra features, including shuffling the letters and testing yourself on your alphabet knowledge.
As you can see, Bible in Hebrew makes it effortless and fun to learn the Hebrew alphabet. To try it out for yourself, click the link in the description to get your free trial. Please leave a comment saying which of the 3 Hebrew primers would be most helpful to you, or ideas for what to talk about in future videos. Thank you for watching, and Shalom.